What is the best way to capitalize on this desire to innovate while ensuring it's done in a way where the technology is being used actually efficiently as well?
Yeah, Aaron, that's a great question, and how individuals move forward in different environments is really key here. You know, when you are in the commercial environment, it's easier to say, okay, we're going to go to this platform, we're going to go to this service, and we're going to make that work. In the Department of Defense, it can't ever be a stop and go kind of a thing, because you have real world missions going on every day. And so how do you introduce those new transformation, those new ways of doing business? And this is what I like about our platform services and the certain apps that we're getting after. I am absolutely convinced, again, having now served in uniform and on this side of our business, is commercial solutions are absolutely critical for a number of reasons. Bill recently just gave some great examples. You know, being able to use RPAs, and instead of having an individual sit at a help desk and answer a phone, we can bring in technologies that we can then move that soldier or airman to something else that is more important to do as we do that. And so automation, commercialization, virtualization. So as folks are now making the move to the cloud, it can't all be done at one time. Department of Defense is huge. And so what we look at is then doing other solutions such as virtualization, which then removes risk as we're delivering certain capabilities. And all of these things lead to a more secure environment. And that's really the ultimate goal that we want to get to. Every solution that we look at when we're working with our clients and see what their complex problems are, we build in security up front, and that's key in transformation and innovation as well in the type of business that we're in today.
That's insightful. Thank you, Susan. And Bill, with your experience at the Air Force, I'm sure you have some good examples as well. What do you think can be done to capitalize on this desire to innovate and use technology efficiently?
Yeah, absolutely. And kind of expound upon what Susan's saying is that I think the platform side brings you a fabric. It brings you a foundation that is really fundamental to transformation. So often we think very vertically, we acquire very vertically, we require requirement by requirement, and the platform kind of approach starts to think of it as a foundation and a fabric that really glues everything together. Because you can't go end to end on day one. You can't get rid of legacy quickly. And so being able to provide that fabric, be able to transition legacy capabilities off, bring in new capabilities, but allow that same fabric and tone and tenor for that platform to be consistent, to be agile, to be very mobile centric, I think is really the game changer here. Until you get past the vertical mentality, both in acquisition and in requirements, I think folks are really challenged by that. And we see that very consistently. So as I talked to before, is bringing that enterprise approach, thinking holistically of solving specific challenges, right? You have to get wins within your deployments, but also thinking holistically about how this thing will fit end to end. And when you think about the value in cybersecurity and HR and all the way down to IT configuration management and all those elements, we've thought of those things vertically, and now you can start to horizontally integrate. And so to Susan's point, your security is better, your user experience is better, and your ability to offload legacy systems becomes much more robust and agile as you go through. But it's that fabric and foundation that I think is really where everybody needs to be driving to.
I think you're right. And what's impressive from both of your all's work and what we're seeing is that you're incorporating security and user experience and this fabric of the different technologies into the forefront of the solution, right? As opposed to being an afterthought and buying the technology, then trying to make it work. And I think you guys have both done a great job of that in your prior service. And obviously our partnership with Accenture, we continue that. And I think it's a transformational way to look at how we do IT as a business. And I think you guys have both exemplified that.